This is Piano Adventures primer level performance book. As you can see, this is a very well loved copy of the book. Let's turn to page 3, the doorbell. This is a very good practice in playing half notes. Of course, we have some quarter notes. We have some repeated notes. And we have some skipping notes. So lots of things going on. And let's first of all tackle those finger numbers. Make sure you have both hands ready on a group of 3 black keys. Find your rounded hand shape and stay on those firm fingertips. Keep both hands on the keys all the way through. Here we go with finger numbers. 1, 2, ready, go. 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, left hand, 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. When you can play and sing the finger numbers easily, switch to counting the beats to make sure that you're keeping that beat very steady. Here we go with counting. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. One last thing that I will mention. When you play on each key, use a small drop of the arm, not a big drop, just a small motion, letting the arm drop down into the key so you get a nice full sound and you can feel a little bit of that arm weight going into the key. That will help your sound and help your arms and hands feel relaxed. Enjoy!